The fire's out, but the smell won't quit. Sometimes a unit never even saw a flame, and it still reeks of smoke. Old shafts, shared hallways, and HVAC systems in pre-war buildings pull smoke through the whole building like a chimney. That's how it ends up 3 doors down from the fire. Soot eats into paint and metal the longer it sits, so we move fast. We clean hard surfaces with the method that fits that material. Fabric and carpet hold smoke smell the longest, so we treat those too. Then we run equipment that breaks the odor down at the source instead of masking it. We handle cleanup and odor removal, nothing more. Call us in Brooklyn any hour and tell us what you're smelling. That smell won't wait, so don't you. Call 347-853-8827.